Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we will be discussing the keto diet for weight loss. For more updates on weight loss, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. Keto diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that has gained popularity in recent years due to its ability to aid in weight loss. So, let's dive in and understand what a keto diet is, how it works, and what its benefits are. What is keto diet? The keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet that aims to put the body into a state of ketosis. In this state, the body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The diet is typically made up of 75% fat, 20% protein, and only 5% carbohydrates. The main idea is to restrict carbohydrates to a minimum, which will force the body to switch from burning glucose to burning ketones for energy. How does it work? The keto diet works by putting your body into a state of ketosis. When you restrict carbohydrates, your body has to look for an alternative source of energy, and this is where fats come in. Your liver converts fats into ketones, which your body then uses for energy. By limiting carbohydrates, your body is forced to burn fat for fuel, which can lead to weight loss. Benefits of the keto diet. The keto diet has numerous benefits, including weight loss, improved mental clarity, and increased energy levels. The diet has been shown to reduce hunger and cravings, which can help people stick to the diet and lose weight. It may also help improve blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of certain diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and some types of cancer. Things to keep in mind. While the keto diet can be effective for weight loss, it's important to keep in mind that it may not be suitable for everyone. People with certain medical conditions such as liver or pancreatic disease should avoid the keto diet. It's also important to make sure you're getting enough nutrients and fiber in your diet, so you may need to supplement with vitamins and fiber-rich foods. In conclusion, the keto diet can be an effective way to lose weight and improve your overall health. By limiting carbohydrates and increasing healthy fats, you can put your body into a state of ketosis, which can lead to weight loss and numerous other health benefits. However, it's important to consult with your doctor before starting the diet, and to make sure you're getting enough nutrients and fiber in your diet. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.